Good evening, sir. So going through the results you sent, I've seen the reason why your urologist ruled out your chance of being a father. The Scrotal scan and the hormone acid tests are giving negative impression. With the Scrotal scan, the left testis did not properly develop, and that this is a major issue which affects the testicular function. And also, based on the hormones, the low testosterone coupled with the azoospermia, this is telling us that there is testicular failure. LH and FSH is significantly high, testosterone is very low, and there's also azoospermia. So this means that the testis is unable to do its primary functions. There are two major functions of the testis: to produce testosterone and also produce sperm cells. So in some cases, we see a lot of patients that even though they are having azoospermia, their testis is still able to diligently produce enough testosterone, which indicates that there is partial testicular function and partial testicular failure, meaning some part of the testis is still functioning optimally while some parts are not functioning well. So but in cases like yours, it indicates that both parts, both the Sertoli cells and the Leydig cells, the part of the testis that produce testosterone and the part of the testis that stimulates sperm production, they are not working. Now, but there is hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel going through these results. And the hope lies in the fact that the issue within the testicular environment affects only the left testis. The right testis is normal in shape, normal in size, and if it gets the right stimulation by using the right set of treatments and as I'm concerned, right set of natural remedies to stimulate proper testicular function, we can still get something from this. And the goal of the treatment, if we're able to handle this, if we go ahead to address this condition, the goal of the treatment will be to stimulate the testes to rejuvenate testicular function so that there can be some sperm cells which can be sufficient enough to do assisted reproductive technique like IVF or IUI. So there is hope, even though the chance is quite low, but we can put you on probation for like 3 months and give you some very effective natural remedies to stimulate proper testicular function, and let's see what we can be able to do within that 3 months. So if we are able to get the results and there is some sperm cells, then the next line will be to go for assisted reproductive technique like IVF or most especially IUI. So this is my advice, and I want you to be positive, and with God all things are possible. All things are possible. There are people that have cases that medically they've been ruled out, that no, at this point this person there's nothing that can be done, but God Almighty says that no, that is to you, but to me I'm vita continua. So there's still a lot of things for me to do. The journey still continues, and the people get the results. So I pray God Almighty perfect your health and grant you pious kids who will be the coolness of your eyes.